Hey everyone, let's talk about how to use Airbnb custom promotion feature. So let me tell you guys, the Airbnb custom promotion feature lets you offer temporary discounts and unbooked dates. As you increase the discount percentage, the Airbnb algorithm rewards you with better search visibility, strike-through pricing, and promotional callouts and guest emails. So to use this feature, open your Airbnb app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, then switch to a hosting mode. Now, select listing at the bottom of your screen. Since I don't have any listing, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. But once you select listing, then choose the calendar you want to edit. Then tap price settings and scroll to promotions. Select custom promotion and then highlight the available dates and the calendar you want to discount. Then tap next. Now adjust the discount percentage on the slider. Then tap apply promotion. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.